Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 22nd, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see more buying across the board on equities by the end of the session. The Dow was up 98 points, and the S&P was up 14. Now, I did sense a bit of doubt here in these two, and the reason I say that is this doji candle right here. I mean, we have a gap here, a previous gap. Let me zoom in for you right here. That this should have been an easy close, especially if you gap higher. Then, closing the rest of that gap should be fairly easy. But you can see that it is clearly an indecisive type candle here. Now, a big difference between the Dow and the S&P when you compare them to the Nasdaq and the Russell. The Nasdaq moving on to fresh new highs here today, although volume was certainly lighter, and the Russell powering forward as well here and closing at its highs. Now, we've been talking about this for a while, that Russell has been playing a bit of catch up here to get to these highs. It is now pretty much there. Let's have a look at the bonds ETF here. The 20-year Treasury ETF TLT moved back to that downsloping 20 and paused. It was up just over a point today, while gold was up about 9.5 points. And crude finished higher by about 98 cents. Now, a few of the bigger names here, a couple that look really good are Amazon, powering forward to fresh new highs here, regaining momentum. Another one is Google. Google looks pretty good here. Again, breaching this previous high, starting to regain momentum on that 20-period moving average. But one that does not look very good still is Tesla. I mean, it has been retesting this downsloping 20 for a while. But again, we've had a couple of pretty decent days to the upside, and yet Tesla has not participated. So I think this is a matter of time before it starts to roll over again. Now, the weekly charts hopefully will shed some light here and give us a clear picture. We have one more session this week. Let's see how we close, and we will reevaluate on Sunday. I'll make sure to recap those weekly charts on our Sunday update. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.